Hello, my name is Bart Brecka, and I am prepared to share the new Sub-D modeling tool that comes stock in Creo called Freestyle. Before I start, however, I'd like to share the Design Engine blog, if you will. Our blog has job postings each day and various articles related to product development, engineering, software development. The training school is proetools.com, where we teach a wide variety of software packages. I'm going to click through our student login. The login and password's already been entered, so it's not prompting me for that information. Now I'm scrolling down to the Pro Engineer training information, and I'm going to click through the Sub-D modeling Freestyle surfaces section. Sub-D modeling has been around since the late 70s, actually. There's three basic types of modelers. There's the surface modeler, the NURBS surface modeler, which Pro Engineer is a subset of that family, if you will. And then there's a polygonal modeler, which Maya and 3D Studio Max both do that type of, or actually both. Then there's the Sub-D modeler. The Sub-D modeler is a sort of combination of both. Basically, it forms a square, and that outer boundary square can like a puppeteer's controlling tool. It's going to control the actual NURBS surface underneath. For example, this geometry here is a 5-minute Sub-D freestyle model in Creo, and the giraffe as well. I'm going to build basically the front end of this race car, and I'm going to use the Sub-D modeling tool to do so. I've already loaded the car, and I have the Sub-D model. I was just going to delete the freestyle model and quickly run through how we go about building that geometry and the workflow related. Basically, I have a wide variety of primitives that I can choose from. Pretty much every character that's modeled in Toy Story is modeled using a Sub-D or NURBS type modeler. I'm going to go ahead and create a polygon plane. I'm going to scale the plane down using a wide variety of tools that we have available. I'm using the control key to size the geometry smaller. Okay. Now I'm going to move the entire geometry over using transform. We've been teaching Sub-D type modeling tools at Design Engine using Maya for over 10 years. Now I'm going to take basically the end section. You can grab the 4-part boundary, if you will, and I can grab the end of the boundary, and I'm simply going to extrude that edge. And each time I extrude it, I'm just going to push it back just a tad bit. That's the kind of workflow we've been teaching. Let's extrude one more and push it back. And now I'm going to extrude up again. And each time I extrude up, I could just hit the middle button and do that. I'm going to go ahead and extrude that out. And each time I extrude, I'm just going to middle click, drag, middle click, drag, middle click. You see how the outer boundary is rounded? That's easily resolved because I can just align it later to an edge. I'm going to go ahead and click here and use my shift key to kind of snake it around as if I'm getting around everywhere, and I'm going to extrude that geometry. I'm going to drag it in. So you can start to see I can build complex geometry really fast. Okay, I'm going to take this top edge, shift select that area, and sort of pull that back. Let's extrude all that geometry and drag it back again. Whoops, I did a rotate. I'm going to do Control Z and drag that back again and extrude that whole area. Now I'm going to lift up this back edge as if it were the fender. I need to clear for the fender well. can even grab these vertices and drag those around. So, just to give you an idea of how the tool works. All right, that's the end of my presentation, and I hope that we get to see you at Design Engine sometime in the near future. Thank you.